Childcare providers upset about new proposed rules by the Oklahoma Department of Human Services. Those providers brought their concerns to a public hearing in Oklahoma City today. Fox 25's Paige Taylor at the hearing joins us now to break down some of the new rules. And Paige, what did people have to say?
Well, Adam, DHS has proposed new emergency rules regarding child care subsidies and licensing programs. The agency attributes the need for these changes to pandemic-era spending no longer being sustainable.
I don't know where y'all are going to get the money from, but something has to change.
That's a sentiment echoed by the dozens of people who spoke at a public hearing on Tuesday morning. The Oklahoma Department of Human Services is looking to change requirements and procedures for the QRIS or STARS program. Many child care providers say they have worked hard to achieve 5-star status, which correlates with the subsidy rates they receive. But they say under the new proposed changes, 5-star status would be much harder to achieve.
A lot of programs across the state, both rural as well as in metro and urban areas, are 90% subsidy, so this would have a great financial impact on them and the families that they care for.
DHS Director Jeffrey Cartmel has said continuing the level of pandemic-era spending is not sustainable unless impacts to other vital services in Oklahoma are made, and that the agency has to balance federal and state dollars while also ensuring minimal disruption to its partners and clients.
Today, thanks to the commitment of providers to improve quality, we have over 1,300 5-star rated programs. However, DHS has explicitly stated that it must reduce this number by downgrading more than 1,000 programs, undermining the hard work and dedication of child care providers who have worked tirelessly to elevate their services for Oklahoma's children and families.
Some providers asking DHS to head across the street to the Capitol to ask for funding.
So what we're asking DHS to do is don't try to right their wrong on our backs, but rather go to the Capitol, request funding from the legislatures to right this ship, go to the governor. He wants transparency and accountability. This is where they need to raise their hand and say, hey, we messed up. We need to now have $40 million.
DHS says all comments and feedbacks will be considered to be incorporated with the final rules submitted to the governor's office for approval. Reporting in Oklahoma City, Paige Taylor, Fox 25 News.